tire pyrolysis plant. Final products uses. Let's learn the details.
So what's the use of this fuel oil?
Look, the fuel oil can be further processed to be diesel, but you can also sell it directly. Yes, it's a very good heating fuel with more than 10,000 kcal per kilogram. Yes, and it can be sold to cement factory, like look at the steel factory, the glass factory, brick factory, and the boiler heating. And this pyrolysis fuel oil can also be used to heavy oil generator. So there are many ways to use this fuel oil
For heating purpose.
Yes.
So besides the fuel oil, is there any byproduct from this machine?
Of course, look, the second main product of this pyrolysis process is the carbon black. Yeah, the carbon black is also a very good heating fuel. And it can replace the coal as the heating energy. Yeah, it's a very good. It can be deprocessed to the briquette. Yes. And now I want to show you some samples. Look, this is the pyrolysis oil samples. I have a look, and look, we also have SDS testing report. SDS testing report of the pyrolysis fuel oil.
Tire pyrolysis oil.
Yes. And look, this is the carbon black produced by this pyrolysis machine.
Byproduct.
Yes. Look, you can see that the carbon black is also very fine. And we also have the testing report of this carbon black.
Okay, this is a testing report of carbon black.
Yes. This all third parties testing report, so it's very fair.
Profitable business. Free code now.